All right. Hey, my name's John Erickson. I'm located in Los Angeles, California. I'm reading for the role of Henry. This is Staff Sergeant Henry Miller. Please listen closely. I know this is going to sound strange, but you have to know. I don't know who or why, but quickly and frequently, information is being censored about the Islamic Union of Eastern Samothrace. If you're seeing this, it's because they've already gotten to me. I think they've been tracking me somehow. Have you ever heard about what's happening down in Samothrace? Listen, if you have no idea what I'm talking about, it's because they've already gotten to you. Damn, took you long enough. You're lucky I even showed up. I'm just glad you finally made it. Let's head in. Should be starting soon.
Hey, that's my seat, punk. There are no safe seats here, Grandpa. Get out of here.
All right. Well, this has been fun. Thanks for bringing me here, Jim. Welcome back, you guys. We've got some new faces today, so we'll start with some introductions. I'm Adam. Yeah. Okay. Sure. Hi, everyone. My name is Henry Miller, and I had the privilege of serving a couple of tours with this asshole right here. I like long walks on the beach, margaritas, and dislike short walks on the beach. Now that's a good start. Thank you, Henry. Where'd you serve? I served in... Henry, you with his brother? Yeah. Yeah. Iraq. What? We were stationed in Iraq. Oh, right. Iraq. Sorry.